The baby can do a bunch of cool things right now, like hiccup, yawn, stretch, frown. The baby can also hear everything in there. That is cool as sh. Oh, nope, see, can't curse anymore. That is cool as ships. Cool as ships. I love the high seas and frequently speak of them. At our next ultrasound, we can find out the gender of the baby. I'm kind of on the fence, but Patrick wants to know. Yeah, him and everyone else on the planet. Colleagues, acquaintances, strangers, especially our relatives. They are chomping at the bit to start buying either pink stuff or blue stuff for this kid. I don't know, let's get something green or yellow. Or let the little boy wear pink. I'm fine with it, he can do whatever he wants. Except get face tattoos, do drugs, or not return my phone calls. Everything else is totally fine though. My brain has turned into a strainer and everything is just slipping through. It's called, mommy brain. It's called mommy brain. And I cannot find anything. I can't find my keys. I can't find my wallet. I can't find my phone or my wallet. Oh, and apparently it doesn't go away even after you've given birth. I'm gonna be all like, beep boop keys forever. Now the baby is the size of a Starbucks tall. I feel like I am the size of a venti. But get this, I'm only allowed to have as much caffeine as a Starbucks mini. Why even bother? Get out of here. Can we just talk about hand-me-downs for a second? I mean, I am all about, reusing, reducing, recycling, being green, being frugal. Yes, I'm here for it. But I just don't feel comfortable saying no to a well-meaning person when they shove a box of clothes at me that are meant for a 6-year-old. I don't think I can handle hoarding clothes now that I'm not gonna need for 6 more years. Patrick is panicking that our place is gonna turn into an episode of Extreme Hoarders, Bouncy Chair Edition. Ooh, but speaking of bouncing, the baby is supposed to start kicking soon. It's gonna be like, I can't wait!